Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're diving into the world of 3D printing. Well, not just any 3D printing. We're talking about printing entire buildings.
Entire buildings.
Yeah, we're headed to the Texan desert to check out El Cosmico, a hotel that's making headlines as, well, the world's first 3D printed hotel.
Wow, 3D printing a whole hotel. That's ambitious.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a fascinating case study, really. We've seen 3D printing used in construction before in smaller projects, but this project is incredibly ambitious in its scale and design.
Yeah, that's what caught my eye too. It's huge. They're doing 43 new hotel units and 18 residential homes, and they're all being constructed with this technology. So before we get into the specifics of El Cosmico, can you give us a quick rundown on how this whole 3D printing thing actually works in construction? Like, how do you even start to 3D print a building? It's hard to wrap my head around.
Right, right. It's definitely a new concept for many. Imagine, well, it's kind of like a large robotic arm, almost like a supersized pastry bag.
A pastry bag.
Yeah, but instead of icing, it's extruding this special concrete-like material called lavacrete. And it's not your typical concrete. This stuff is specifically designed for 3D printing.
Interesting. So it's like a specially formulated concrete.
Exactly. They've carefully formulated it, this lavacrete, for 3D printing. And the way it's made gives it these unique